To fix TV sound delays. First, understand that this issue is often caused by the audio signal taking longer to process than the video signal, resulting in a noticeable lag between what you see and what you hear. Step 1 is to check your TV settings, as some models have an audio sync or lip sync feature that can be adjusted to correct sound delays. Look for this option in the sound or picture settings menu and adjust it accordingly. Next, ensure that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports on both your TV and external devices, such as soundbars or gaming consoles. A loose connection can cause audio delays, so verify that all cables are properly plugged in. Another common cause of sound delays is the type of connection used. If you are using an HDMI connection, try switching to a different HDMI port on your TV, as some ports may have different capabilities. Additionally, consider using an optical audio cable, which can provide a more stable audio connection. If you are using a soundbar or external audio system, check its settings to see if there is an option to adjust the audio delay. Some soundbars have a feature that allows you to set a delay to match the audio with the video. It is also essential to check for firmware updates for your TV and any external devices, as newer versions may include fixes for sound delay issues. Refer to the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update the firmware. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and the sound delay persists, consider resetting your TV to its default settings or seeking assistance from a professional. By following these steps, you should be able to fix TV sound delays and enjoy a more immersive viewing experience.